4 Hidden Benefits of Clove. Welcome to Healthy Living Simplified, where we break down health topic into easy to understand tips. Clove, a tiny spice often found in our kitchens, known for its intense aroma and flavor. But did you know that this humble spice has hidden benefits beyond just adding a kick to your food? Today, we're going to explore 4 lesser-known health benefits of clove. Let's uncover the secrets of this tiny powerhouse. 1. Natural pain reliever. Cloves have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for pain relief. Their key compound, eugenol, is a potent analgesic. When applied topically, clove oil can help reduce pain and inflammation. Clove oil has a numbing effect, making it especially useful for toothaches. It's also effective against headaches, sore muscles, and joint pain. A simple clove oil application can provide immediate pain relief, and it's a much more natural alternative to over-the-counter painkillers. 2. Supports digestion. After a large meal, we've all experienced the discomfort of bloating or indigestion. Clove can help with that too. This spice is known to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which assist in breaking down food more efficiently. Cloves have natural carminative properties, which means they help reduce gas, bloating, and indigestion. It also aids in relieving nausea and an upset stomach. So, next time your stomach is uneasy, try clove infused to your water to help ease the discomfort. It's a simple remedy with powerful digestive benefits. 3. Boosts immunity. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, which play a crucial role in protecting the body from harmful free radicals. These antioxidants also help strengthen the immune system, making it more resilient against infections. Cloves are also antimicrobial, meaning they can help combat bacteria and viruses in the body. A cup of clove tea, especially during cold and flu season, can give your immune system the support it needs. Adding clove to your diet, whether in tea, food, or as a supplement, can help you stay strong and healthy year-round. 4. Promotes skin health. Clove oil isn't just for internal health, it's also great for your skin. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties make it effective for treating acne, blemishes, and other skin conditions. When applied topically, clove oil can help reduce the bacteria that cause acne, prevent you breakouts, and even soothe irritated skin. Using clove oil diluted in a carrier oil, or adding it to a face mask, can give your skin a natural, healthy glow. It also works to balance oil production, making it beneficial for both oily and dry skin. Additional benefits of cloves. Beyond pain relief, digestion, immunity, and skin health, cloves have other amazing benefits. They can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve liver function, and even enhance your mood with their calming effects. To get the most out of clove, you can brew it in tea, sprinkle it in smoothies, or even add it to your favorite dishes, whether whole, ground, or in oil form. Incorporating clove into your daily routine can lead to significant health improvements. Clove more than just a spice for your meals. From natural pain relief to improved digestion, immune support, and even better skin, this little spice is a powerful addition to your wellness routine. So next time you reach for clove, remember these hidden benefits it brings to your health. Stay healthy, stay natural, and let this tiny spice unlock a world of wellness for you. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.